When I say choose, you say fun. Choose! Choose! When I say choose, you say fun. Choose!
Hey everybody, welcome back to Random Recess. Chris and Abed here. Just got to Port Canaveral, Florida. We're about to board the Carnival Mardi Gras. We're super excited. We've wanted to go on this ship since it launched last June of 21. We've got a 7-day cruise going to Nassau, Bahamas, Grand Turk, and the Dominican Republic. Yeah, we have a bunch of people coming along with us. We have a big group, so we'll have some extra faces in the vlogs, hopefully. But yeah, we're really excited. All right, Chris, let's get on this ship. Let's go. Oh my God, this port is huge. Wow, it's huge.
We're used to Galveston, and this is like 8 Galvestons.
Yeah, and it's so far, I mean, it's just a totally different experience.
Way more organized.
I mean, it's also a new port. Maybe one day we'll have something like this in Galveston.
Fingers crossed.
Wow. We made it through.
Let's go.
We went through. We're coming.
To get on my ship, you must have 2 things: a boarding pass and a smile.
Got it.
All right, good.
All right.
Where's the boarding pass? I need to see it. Wonderful.
So, what is this?
This is the suite area, like the priority waiting area.
All right. That works for me.
Yeah, so they won't board till 11. So once they start boarding, then we'll go.
This is really nice.
Yeah.
So this is just for
suite priority, like suite guests.
Wow. There it is.
That's so big.
It is massive. Look at this thing. Chris.
Just running into people. Dude, we're getting on the boat.
We're getting on the boat.
We're going from 150th anniversary to another 50th anniversary.
That's right.
Going from Disney to Carnival.
Yeah, kind of cool. They're both celebrating 50 years. Isn't Starbucks also celebrating 50 years?
I don't know.
Comment down below if someone knows.
We're on the gangway.
That's right. I'm so excited. The ship is massive. It's our first huge cruise, like an XL class. We've not done Royal, so we've only cruised on smaller Carnival ships.
All right, here we are.
We're on the ship.
Oh, wow.
Look at this thing.
Wow, this is so cool.
Oh my
So you
God.
come in right into Grand Central.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, going up to our muster station just to get that over with.
Yep.
Muster station C7. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh, giant chair.
Casino.
Oh, we'll see that later.
So guys, I'm going to show you how to buy lap jacket. So already when you're gonna put it to this position, and then there's a clipper. You're gonna clip around your waist like that, and then there's a small one here. You clip that one here, and then there's a flashlight in case of a blackout, and then the whistle to grab attention. So this is how you buy a life jacket.
Cool.
And then on this ship, there are no life jackets in your cabin. So whenever there's an emergency, you just come here. This is your master station. We will provide you with a life jacket.
Not a problem. We'll probably already be here.
Yeah.
We're spending a lot of time here.
Thank you guys.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
The casino's
The casino's huge. We just walked in to do our muster. Got that over with.
took about 1 minute.
They're super nice. Those of you who cruise and do not get your muster station done right away,
Okay, shame on you if you're
Shame.
one of those people that
Shame.
has to get called.
do not get called.
Just do it.
It's not hard.
Come on.
Yeah, it's huge.
This is so crazy.
How many decks in total? 18?
18? 19.
There's 19.
19 decks.
Okay. We gotta hit up Shaq's Big Chicken, of course. It's finally happening.
Shaq's Big Chicken.
Shaq's Big Chicken. No one knows it's here because it's in the back.
It's all the way in the back, way past the Lido Marketplace.
All right, we gotta get some of this.
All right, guys, Shaq's Big Chicken. The big moment is here. Been waiting like a year and a half ever since this was on this boat. You know, Guy's Burger Joint is A++, so hopefully Shaq's can live up to the hype. Heard a lot of great things. So they've got the Nashville Hot. I got the Shack Attack, which is also a little spicy. It has a jalapeno slaw and a chipotle barbecue sauce on it. So already it's big. It's a big piece of chicken, which is nice. Let's see. Little kick from the jalapeno slaw. So it actually is a little spicy, which is nice. Sometimes when they say spicy, it's definitely not. This has a little heat to it. Barbecue sauce isn't too sweet. It complements the chicken and the jalapenos. You got some pickled slaw in there and pickles as well to cut through the fat. That's really good. Definitely stands up to the hype. And the question is, like, what is it comparable to? You know, I think it's comparable to, you know, something like Chick-fil-A, definitely. A little more variety, which is nice, and they also serve breakfast there too. And then it was also recommended that we try the Shack sauce. So, yeah, get the Shack sauce when you come here. The fries with the Shack sauce, absolutely phenomenal. That's really, really good.
All right, y'all, it's finally time. Chris and I are on the Carnival Mardi Gras. One of the first things we did after doing our muster, be good, do your muster, was to go to Big Chicken, which is the new restaurant concept here on the XL class ships. I got the Uncle Jerome, which is the Nashville hot chicken. So they take their crispy chicken, they dunk it in essentially oil and paprika and cayenne. We have T22 back home, which is Nashville hot chicken. So I'm curious, you know, if the flavors are anywhere near that, because that's amazing chicken. This stands up to the hype. The chicken is crispy and still juicy. It's dripping all over the table. Yeah, the toppings, the additional sauces they add to it. This is fantastic. Crispy, crunchy, it's everything you want a chicken sandwich to be.
As we prepare for our sail away party. You want it louder? We're gonna turn it up out there. We're gonna have a party. We need some volume. Now we gotta welcome the one and only. Your cruise to the land of land. Please make the noise. Who's ready for the kiss? Yes! Okay! As well. What about your pro DJ, DJ Q? Now I do believe we've got a lot of people celebrating birthdays this cruise, am I right? What are my birthday cruisers? If you're celebrating a birthday, let me hear you right now. Well, Carnival is celebrating a birthday, a 50th birthday all year long. So the Carnival Cruise Line and all of our birthday cruisers, this one is for you. What? That was cute, but we need to turn up people around. Why? Because on this day, there are so many ships sailing out of Port Carnival. I want it to be the loudest, the proudest, the most flagship on the seven seas. So, when I say choose, you say fun. Choose! Choose!
We're on the Mardi Gras. Yeah, buddy! All right, sail away party. Already got his ring. What did you get? Just the Jameson. Hi everyone, meet my family.
Hello, I'm Ines. Who are you? His sister. Hi everybody, I'm Tatiana. I'm Abid's sister.
I'm Jessica, and I'm his favorite cousin.
That's right, and we're here on the Mardi Gras.
Look at the beautiful t-shirts that Jess made us. Oh ship,
yeah.
it's about to get lit.
Oh,
Y'all know the drill. On day one of the cruise, of any cruise, the elevator is back up. It gets really hard to get into really any elevator. So hopefully that gets better over time. We actually got our luggage. Nice. We have a suite. The upgrade ferry visited Chris and I, and we were able to upgrade for just a little more to a suite, and it is really nice. It's kind of an odd setup on the Mardi Gras. There's actually two TVs here. This second section that we're currently in with the second TV is right by the balcony, and this is a pull-out couch. It has a privacy shade here, So if you're splitting the room with someone, want to give them a little more privacy, maybe for your kids, maybe for yourself and your spouse, then that's actually a pretty cool feature, and you don't have to disturb anyone. The bed is super comfortable. Have not slept on it, more to come on that. But the room, a lot of people have said, is just a little more narrow than they're used to. I'm not necessarily feeling that. I'm kind of feeling the opposite. You're still getting the blue, but it's not that teal color. Not a lot of greens in here. In fact, no greens at all, no teal. It's a very grown-up color, and you can tell that Carnival, just from an interior design perspective, is moving away from that particular color palette. We have 2 USB outlets, an additional LED light on each side of the bed. And thank you, Carnival, for putting the outlets to control the entire room. All of the lights in the room can be controlled right in the middle of the bed. You're not going to have any trouble. The cabinets here are very spacious. You're not going to have any trouble at all. We've got these little baskets that come out as well. You're safe, and so many hangers. All the hangers. You're not going to have any trouble fitting any of your clothes. I know everyone's wondering the bathroom. So it's your standard bathroom for any cruise line, except the shower is bigger. One of the best updates that Carnival's done here on the Mardi Gras is they've gotten rid of that nasty, moldy, we all know what it is, that shower curtain. Goodbye, shower curtain. No one liked you anyway. In the suite, you do get a larger shower. It's really hard to tell in video form, but I'll try to get the best I can. If you've ever been in an RV, you've been in a cruise cabin. They're very similar in terms of their efficiency and how they're organized. The toilet's really high off the ground. If you are shorter, you may be on your tippy toes. This is our desk area. Currently attempting to upload a video to YouTube. As you can see, I'm charging some cameras and some other devices. So we've got USB outlets, just outlets everywhere. On Carnival Mardi Gras, they have something that's actually pretty new. The door operation is a lot different than the other Carnival cruise ships. So you pull this lever down and essentially like pops the door into the track, and then you can slide the door open. All right, taking the stairs because the elevators continue to be backed up. Heading to go see what this new grand unveiling is of Carnival merch. Apparently they're unveiling some new merch to celebrate their 50th anniversary. All excited, we're about to have Guys Pig and Anchor.
Yeah, I'm hungry
On
and
the Mardi
I'm
Gras.
also tired and I want to go to sleep.
Would you like some of this?
But I want to eat first.
All right, let's go eat.
All right. Filet.
You're doing fillet.
What are we going after?
We going after the filet.
The fillet.
The fillet.
We're
Is that
going-
proper? That's how we
That's
is
smoked
the
filet
We're
mignon.
going for the smoked fillet.
fillet mignon.
The barbecue fillet mignon.
Why you got the light on? It's so tight. All right, guys. We are at Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse, Brew House. This is part of the included dining package if you're on the Carnival Mardi Gras. And today, on Embarkation Day, we are getting the smoked filet mignon, and they have a special every single day. So for today, it's the smoked filet mignon. Tomorrow, they have a smoked cured strip steak. Then on Monday, they have a double down sticky pork belly. Tuesday, they have an ale and brick half chicken. Wednesday, they have a charbroiled strip loin. Thursday is a pork chop. And Friday is a smoked short rib. So you're able to basically fill out what you want. You pick the meat that you want. You can pick 3 sides and a dessert. Or if you don't want one of the daily specials, you can pick 3 of the meats that they offer here. This is just for dinner, no reservations required. They also have a full bar, and they also have live music that plays here too. So it's definitely a good option if you don't want to eat in the main dining room. So I got the smoked 7-ounce filet mignon, and I got brisket, and I also got pork ribs. And for my sides, I got fries, and I got mac and cheese. I think I got pickled vegetables. I don't remember, honestly. But they were able to add 2 meats onto your signature selection. So if you come on the Mardi Gras, you can make a signature selection and add 2 meats to that, in addition to your 3 sides. And obviously it's a cruise, so you can also just order as much as you want. They'll come back from your sheets. You can order as much. You can keep ordering as much as you want, which is the nice thing about cruising. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in.
I ordered the all-time favorite, Pig and Anchor Melt, which is pulled pork, sliced brisket, double pork belly bacon, smoked Gouda, cheddar, pickles, and donkey sauce. Also got fries, beans, mac and cheese. And we're real hungry, so we're digging in. Alright, update. The Pig and Anchor Melt is not good because of these gross pickles. I love pickles. I ate the rest of my food. The meat was good, but whatever these pickles are ruined the bread, top and bottom. So I just ate the meat. This is gross. Most everything that guy does is good. This was a miss. So I don't know if it's him or just these gross ass pickles. They're nasty.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please help support our channel. If you could subscribe and also like these videos and share them with your friends, that would really help us out. We're a brand new channel, just getting started, so any help that we can get is greatly appreciated.